Come on in. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit more vlog style because I'm just redoing my room. Well, I'm finishing the redoing of my room, as well as doing a deep clean and a room tour. So I hope you guys really enjoyed that video. I did a poll on my Instagram to ask you guys what you would like better, a room tour or how I edit my videos. So I'm doing a room tour and cleaning of my room and like redoing it and stuff. So if you guys are into that, continue watching. If not, you can click off the video. Don't dislike. Just don't do anything. But if you guys are going to continue watching, I hope you enjoy. Okay. See you guys in 1 second. I completely forgot to tell you guys that I was cleaning up in this clip, so it was kind of awkward if I didn't tell you guys this right now, that I'm cleaning up. So I just wanted to let you guys know I'm cleaning up and there's not just an awkward pause in this video. Okay, back to the clip. So now my room is mostly clean. Oh wait, except the bed. 1 sec. I also have a bunch of stuff on the bed, mind you, for like my fairy lights and stuff to hang up. But yeah, 1 sec. Okay, everything's mostly clean. I need to do laundry. I sound really boring. Why do I sound boring? So let's get to putting my fairy lights up and my Polaroids on the fairy lights. Also, yes, I do have a ring light in the background. Okay, Google, play Sunday Morning by Matoma.
Sunday Morning by Matoma, sure. Playing on Spotify.
Okay, Google, play Surfaces on Spotify. Uploaded. Oh, okay, Google, play Blueberry Faygo.
Okay, Blueberry Faygo by Lil Moser. Playing on Spotify.
Okay, Google, stop playback. I finally finished my fairy lights and my desk and my dresser, and they look really good. Like, I swear, I like them a lot. Like, honestly, they look really cool. Oh, you can see my ring light and my Japan poster from there. But here, here's the desk. I really like it, honestly. Do you see that? It looks so nice. And then I have my fairy lights with my Polaroids and stuff on them right there. And then I put a calendar up, which I think looks really cool. And then my battery and all that stuff. And then right here, I decided, anybody can copy this because it's not that difficult. But you just put some records behind it and it makes it look so much more put together and nice. And then I have my record player and all that stuff. And I might put a record on this. I kind of want to get a basket for my records, but I'm not sure. I also have a ton more over here. This is one of my favorites. It's a really cool one. Is this the Flower Drum Song? Yes. The Flower Drum Song is a really cool one from like the 60s and probably 50s even. It's really cool. I might put that up too because it's like my favorite record, but I might just put it on the record player to like add detail. I think I'll do that 1 second. Here we go. So put that there. I'll just put it right here because it makes it look nicer and put together. I just put that there to make it look more nice and I guess put together, if you will, like there. And that looks pretty cool. So now all we need to do is tackle this area over here, the death area. Okay, so I got some explaining to do on this section. In this area of my room, I have camera equipment as well as toys from like young when I was younger. The camera section is the big area I want to tackle in this thing, and I have a bunch of children's books, but they make it look good. Okay. Anyway, so gonna tackle this camera area, and it's not gonna take that long. So we're basically almost done. Come on in. Oh yeah, you're on a tripod. Let me just take you into my room. It's time for the room tour. Everybody, what they were waiting for. If you waited this long, thank you, because I'm really annoying. I was like doing my video, right? I was editing, and I was like, oh, this is so boring. It's gonna take like 15 minutes, and it's gonna take 15 minutes again, and I cannot take that. So, okay, let's just get right on into it. I won't even say the product names and won't get into detail about everything. Okay, so first off, I have my backpack right here and my shoes, which is kind of awesome, you know. And then I have my other Kanken right there. 2 pillows just to cover up stuff that's like there. It's just like toys and stuff from when I was little, but I was lazy to clean it up, so I didn't. Here's my little travel section for like memoirs from traveling, and then my camera section. I'll link all my camera. Actually, no, that's too time consuming. I have my books that just look good for the aesthetic, and then like stuff on top. I store my ukulele right there. Here's my bed. I always have the same sheets, so I just rewash them every time. These sheets are from Urban Outfitters. This throw is from Pottery Barn. That pillow is homemade. That one is from Urban, and I'll link those actually. This area of my room I just redid today. So I have my record player, and it has a record on it. Then I have this necklace that I put right there. This clock that doesn't actually function. This Gap de Toilette. I don't know if I'm saying that right. And then I have my wallet and my sunglasses and a thing. Then I put records right there to look cool. Then I have my fairy lights, and then that leads me to my desk. And on my desk I have the Flower Drum Song, which is like a record, I guess, that I have right there. But I thought it'd look cool there. I have a calendar from Target, and then I have my AirPods and all that stuff. I just have a bunch of stuff right here. I did this DIY from Alicia Marie in 2016. It was supposed to be a pineapple, but I didn't have the color. So if you can find that video, link it down below, and I will like your comment. I have this pencil pouch from Daiso right there. And I have a bunch of Polaroids on my wall that go on my fairy lights, but I think I like what I did with my fairy lights. And then yeah, I also have this speaker, because if you use these speakers, it vibrates the table too much, so it makes the music skip. So if you put it on a separate like table and have it plugged in, it works a lot better. So that's why I have that. Next area would be my nightstand area, which is this is the last section basically. And in this area I have just basic things you need at night. I have obviously 4 chopsticks. I don't know anyone who doesn't have 4 chopsticks right next to their bed. If you don't, you're insane. I'm just kidding. I'm actually the insane one. I have my Google. I have 2 inhalers. This one's my non-expired one. That's my expired one that I don't use and I should probably throw away. I have this lamp from IKEA. Here's my fan thing right here. Turns off the lights. You know, you can press it and turn the fan on right there. Let's turn that off because it's loud. And then I have some candles. I have one from Marshall's and one from Urban Outfitters. And then I have my Polaroid and a plant from Target. I have this plant, and it's hung in a macrame hanger with that nice pot, as well as a book I'm reading right down there, my journals, and a cooking magazine, as well as some Lifesaver mints apparently. That is basically it for my room tour. So I hope you guys enjoyed that room tour. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you really liked it, make sure to give it a like. If you didn't like it, don't do anything. Also, make sure you go subscribe down below because and join the real fam, because you know you want to be the realest out there. That sounded so cringy, but you know, it's okay. Comment down below your favorite thing and go look at the description if you want a little surprise. Not really a surprise, just look at the description if you want to look at the items I have in this video. But anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and tune in next Friday for another video. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!